Good morning, guys. So it's day second, and it's also about tell me about yourself. Because yesterday I made a video and which was not good. Uh, so I am improving myself in zero to offer. Here I am nothing to offer to you, but for me only. So I will start now. I shall start now. I will start now. I'll start now. I can say anything. You can say anything. Uh, So question is tell me about yourself and I'm going to tell me about myself to you. So my name is Sandeep Singh and originally I am from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my post graduation from Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Royalkand University Bareilly. Actually it was a college Bareilly, but it comes under Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Royalkand University. And currently I live in New Delhi and I work as an executive security at Oats Management Consultancy Private Limited. My job responsibilities are documentation, supervision, staff deployment, office infrastructure, keep clean office infrastructure, and I also oversee pantry, I oversee parking, and I manage incidents. I manage. I see safety of guests, customers in the mall during the operation, and I ensure smooth operation during big days and weekends. Actually, it is heavy crowd, heavy footfall on weekends like Saturday, Sunday, or national holiday. So I have to be extra vigilant on this day. So I do all these things, and I also manage vendors, also manage suppliers. I have to see their IDs when they enter, and I have to manage on the gates for their access in the mall. I also oversee equipments like X-ray machines. You can call it X-rays also, X-ray baggage scanner. We have 8 X-ray machines, and I also oversee equipment like mobile trace machine, SNFX, and DFMD, HHMD. See all these in my shift. Uh, I am shift in charge in my shift, and I have to report my HOD, senior security manager. My HOD is senior security manager, and I have to report him. And many person also reported me. Also report me like duty manager, supervisor, ASO, and during my patrolling, during my rounds, I have to ensure that everyone doing their duty properly. It can be parking staff, it can be security staff, it can be housekeeping staff. If I see something dirt and anything like that, I call up that concerned department. Like if I see any dirt on the floor, I have to call uh, housekeeping. If I see some electric fault, I have to call engineering. There is help desk in our mall, which ensure, which lodges all these complaints, and uh, uh, they make sure that these complaints surely will reach to concerned person, and this is their duty. If we inform them, they will complete it in a valid time, in appropriate time. Uh, because if anything going wrong, then customer can be offended, customer can be bothered, and we don't want that. Because if there is no footfall, there is no money. So that's why we have to do all these things. And I'm doing this duty since 2023 uh, April, and before that I was CCTV operator since 2022 March in Select Infrastructure Private Limited. And before that, I was GRA Guest Relation Assistant in IR People International Recreation Park Private Limited. On these jobs, I have to do my duty very carefully because as CCTV operator, I had to monitor cameras on my duty time. And if I see some suspicious, I have to report field officer. Who are the seniors, who are the field officers in the field and patrolling and doing duties, their duties. I have to inform them that please look into it because I found this suspicious, and I tell them the reason why I found this suspicious. Like if I see some person sneaking in stairs or lifts or lobbies, then I have to inform field officers. And as guest relation assistant, I was guest relation assistant in an amusement park called Birds of Wonder. In that park, my duty were on the rides like jumper, download, many rides. These are kids ride and these are adult rides. So I have to make sure that right person goes into the right ride. If any wrong person, like height criteria is 100 centimeters and there is going 50 centimeters, then this will be trouble for all the staff. So I had to make sure that right person goes into the right ride. That's why and my this duty uh, stopped major incident like someone falling from the ride or injured or dead. I stopped uh, during my duties, and this is about all about myself. Thank you guys. I will be with you in next day. Thank you so much.